Welcome back now at 9:47. When you were a kid, you may have dreamed of having your own hovercraft. I know I did. Now Stim Nola is making that dream come true, albeit a little bit smaller than maybe you were hoping for. Sergio Silva and Aubrey Williams, a 10th grader at Metairie Park Country Day, join us now to help us make some hovercrafts. How are we doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, good to see y'all. All right, so these are, like we said, a small scale hovercraft, but the principle is the same as if we wanted to build something big, right? Okay, all right, so what are we doing? How do we make this?
So first we're gonna have our CD.
A CD, okay.
Decorations.
Gotta have that.
Bottle cap, balloon, glue, tape, and scissors.
Okay,
Be careful.
cool. And the bottle cap are like these sports caps that you can find on a lot of different water bottles and whatnot.
So first what you wanna do, you're gonna tape or glue your decoration on. We already have that done here.
Okay.
Then you're gonna unmask your bottle.
All right.
And you're gonna take your handy dandy balloon and twist it up. Like
Okay.
that.
So, do we blow it up first?
Yeah.
Yes, blow it up. Also what you wanna do is you're gonna wanna tape your bottle cap down too after you do that.
Okay, so you've got like a hole. I'm
Yeah,
seeing
you got this
here.
whole contraption here.
So there's a hole in where the CD hole is. You kind of tape that. Let's see where we at. You tape that bottle cap onto the hole, and like you said, take the cap off so that you have some airway.
So blow your balloon and tape it down.
All right, I got a lot of air in there. It's hot air,
Yes.
trust me.
Now once you have your balloon and you twist it at the
The twisting
top.
helps, right?
Yes, keep
Okay,
the air
keeps
in.
the
You
air
want
in.
air.
Okay.
You're gonna stretch it over the bottle cap
Okay.
like that.
Oh. Oh no.
Do you need some more
Bottle cap.
tape?
Yes. All right, here we go.
So once you have it like this, you are going to open the bottle cap, make sure you have space, and let it go.
Oh, nice. So what's happening when we do this?
So when this happens, the air from the balloon goes out the bottle cap and goes between the table and the CD, which kind of creates a cushion for it to kind of sit
okay.
kind of on top of.
Okay.
Now that reduces the friction. Friction is like a force when you rub your hands together, you feel that heat, that's from friction. Once there's less friction, it can just glide across the table just like that.
All right.
So,
let's see if I did it.
let's see,
here.
big reveal.
I know. I'm the late one. Late to class. Late to making hovercraft.
Now open the bottle cap. You can put hair hockey.
Nice. All right. All right. I love it. That's
like that.
cool. Okay. Okay. So, and these are principles that you like.
Yes.
That already people are using in like everyday life to create real, actual hovercrafts or other types of scientific things, right?
Even air hockey. This is basically
yeah.
air hockey.
Look at that. This is super cool.